If you have an XCF file in GIMP and you want to turn it into a JPG, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert XCF to JPG in GIMP, step by step, in the easiest way possible. This is perfect if you want to share your image on social media, send it through WhatsApp, attach it to an email, or just save it in a format that works almost everywhere. XCF is GIMP's native project file, so it keeps all your layers, paths, and transparency for editing later. But if you want a finished image, you need to export it properly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more software tutorials, and let's get started. First, open GIMP and load your XCF project. You can do that by going to File, then Open, and selecting the project file you want to convert. Once your file is open, take a quick look at your image and make sure everything is how you want it, because once you export to JPG, the file becomes a flattened image format. That means your layers will no longer be editable in the same way as an XCF file, so it's always a good idea to keep your original XCF saved separately. Now that your project is open, look at the top menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose Export As. You can also use the shortcut Shift, Control, and E on Windows or Linux, which is a faster way to get to the export window. This is the important step, because in GIMP, saving and exporting are not the same thing. If you just use Save, GIMP will keep the file as XCF. If you want JPG, PNG, or another shareable format, you must export it. When the export window opens, you'll see a file name field at the top. This is where you choose the name of your new file. To convert it to JPG, type a file name and make sure it ends with .jpg. For example, if your image is called photo, you would name it photo.jpg. That extension tells GIMP you want to export the image as a JPEG file. You can also choose the folder where you want to save it, such as your desktop, downloads, or any custom folder you prefer. Take a moment to double-check the file location and the name before moving forward. If you save it somewhere easy to find, it will be much simpler to upload, share, or use later. Once everything looks correct, click the Export button in the bottom right corner of the window. GIMP will then open a small JPG settings box. In most cases, you can leave the settings at their default values. For a standard conversion, the default export settings are usually fine. Just click Export one more time to finish the process. GIMP will now create your JPG file in the folder you selected. After that, you can open the new image and confirm that the export worked correctly. And that's it! You've successfully converted an XCF file to JPEG in GIMP. It really is that simple once you know the difference between saving and exporting. Just remember, XCF is for editing, while JPEG is for sharing. So if you ever need a clean image file for online use, export it the same way we just did. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software topic you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.